Where's the baby? Sophia, where are you?
Beep beep.
Toot toot. Sophia, one day you won't fit in that box anymore. Enjoy the ride. Alright, take her to the kitchen. See you later. Around the world in a few hundred days. Best homemade toy ever.